Good afternoon, children. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today I will give you sample paper. You have to complete the paper and upload in portal. Okay? First you have to make PDF and then upload it. Don't send me in WhatsApp. Okay? And in annual exam, you have to do like this. So we will do practice. So I hope you all are ready with your copy and pencil, with your copy, pencil, eraser. So this is the sample paper. I have given one unseen passage. I have given one unseen passage. You have to read the paragraph and give the answers. After that, I have given some fill in the blanks with am, is, are. And then I have given prepositions. Okay. Yes, Mahi.
मैम क्या क्या करना है मेरे को फिर से बताओ ना.
This is a sample paper. So you have to solve the paper in your copy. Before that, you have to write your name, class, and subject. After that, solve. Don't write the paragraph, only write the answers, fill in the blanks, and fill ups also with the appropriate prepositions. So that you have to use in your copy. After that, you have to make PDF file. Then upload on portal. आपको इसको
मैम LMS में
कैसे आप लोग एनुअल एग्जाम में करोगे.
ओके बाय.
दर्शील
मैम कहाँ अपलोड करना है.
पोर्टल में अपलोड करना है. कल आप लोगों ने किया है ना, सुमन मैम करवाई थी.
यस मैम.
वैसा ही आपको अपलोड करना है. आप लोग डेली प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो एग्जाम के समय आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. एंड ये कभी भूलना नहीं है. आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द क्लास यू विल गेट ओनली 1 hour फॉर अपलोडिंग योर आंसर शीट. आफ्टर दैट यू कैन नॉट अपलोड. एक घंटे.
मैम सुना.
बोलो.
मैम सुमन मैम तो बोल रही 2 घंटा मिलेगा.
पर मैंने 1 घंटा दिया है. 1 घंटे से 1.5 घंटे के बीच, मैक्सिमम 1 घंटा 10 मिनट.
ओके मैम.
अपलोड करने में 1 मिनट का समय लगता है. मैंने फिर भी आप लोगों को 1 hour दिया है. दैट आई हैव गिवन 1 hour. So
Okay.
don't forget. If you forget, then you cannot upload after that.
Okay ma'am.
So start writing.
Yes ma'am.
This is an unseen passage. It's a very easy passage. Please read the paragraph loudly. Who will read the paragraph loudly? Chaityajan, are you there? Chaityajan. Chaityajan, are you there? Your voice is not coming. Chaitya. Anmol.
Ma'am.
Read the paragraph. Read, Anmol.
Yes ma'am.
Read the paragraph.
It's the white ship is coming close to catch the ladybird. उसको स्पेलिंग मैं बोल इसको करना कंप्लीट. मैम एक बार आप पढ़ के बताओगे क्या?
It's a very easy sentence. You can also able to read. SPIDER, spider. white spider. Then पढ़ो, आप खुद पढ़ो.
the ladybird. क्वेश्चन करो भैया.
Nobody will help you.
क्वेश्चन पढ़ो और आंसर देखो.
स्पाइडर के बाद क्या लिखा?
स्पाइडर के बाद क्या लिखा पूछ रही मैम. मैम spider is coming close to catch the ladybird. Yeah, what can I do to save the little ladybird? Run to help Ria pick up ladybird. The ladybird from the spider with she
Web.
let the ladybird go
Read.
where
Read.
the ladybird we
Continue.
मेरे पास क्या मैम कहाँ हाँ ladybird flew from flower to flower. Ria want clap 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 clap. The red and black spotted ladybird was happy and free once again.
Very good. Once again. Now read again this paragraph and solve the paper. Nishita.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the paragraph.
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ो.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम. मैम पैराग्राफ रीड करना है. It's the white spider is coming
M-I-N-G. Coming.
Close to C-A-T-C-H.
C-A-T-C-H. Catch.
Catch the L-A-D-Y ladybird R-I-A-Ria.
Very good.
Ria went.
No.
What can I do to save the little ladybird? Ria ran to help
Ria.
P-I-C-K-E-D picked up the ladybird from the spider's web. She let
W-E-B. Web. स्पाइडर की जी जाली वाला बनता है, इसको कहते हैं वेब.
फूल web. She let the ladybird go. B-R-R-R.
Re means it's a sound of ladybird.
The ladybird ladybird fell from flowers to flowers. Riya went CLAP 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 the red and black SPOTTED
Spotted.
little bird
SPOTTED. Spotted ladybird.
spotted ladybird was happy and free once again.
Very good. You have to read fluently, but your fluency is not there. You have to read again and again. So Nishita, please read again this paragraph and solve the questions. Why are spiders coming to close the ladybird? Question number 2. What did Riya want to do for the ladybird? देखो Riya is a little girl, but Riya, she has very much patience and she is very kind girl and she wants to help ladybird. वो लेडीबर्ड को हेल्प करना चाह रही थी. क्यों? क्योंकि ये जो स्पाइडर क्या कर रहा था, इसको स्पाइडर लेडीबर्ड को अपने जाल में जकड़ लेना था, तो इसको बचाने की कोशिश कर रही थी ये छोटी सी लड़की. So what did Riya want to do for ladybird? So that you have to search the answer from this paragraph. From whom did Riya save the ladybird? From whom did Riya save the ladybird? After that, I've given fill in the blanks. Is and are. It is very easy. Arup dash swimming in the pool. The school bell dash ringing. I dash a boy. Birds dash flying in the sky. Raju and Bobby dash friend. Okay, and next I have given one picture. The owl is dash the bed. The owl is dash the bed. On the bed, near the bed, next the bed, behind the bed, under the bed. ये आपको देखना है. The ball is dash the table. You can see the ball. The dog is dash the table. You can see the dog also. The cat is hiding the bed. Hey, here is cat. है ना? The bag is dash the table. You can see bag. So see the pictures and write the answers. Kashvi.
Yes, ma'am.
The paragraph fluently.
Okay. The white spider.
White spider.
The white spider is coming close to
The ladybird.
the ladybird. Riya, what
उसके बाद क्या है?
can I do to save the little ladybird? Riya run to. Yes, ma'am.
एक मिनट रुको, रुकना है. ये फुल स्टॉप किसने दिए हैं? You have to use the punctuation mark. If after the sentence full stop is there, so give a pause for a few seconds. You cannot read like this. You are reading like this. White spider is coming close to catch the ladybird. Riya, what can do to save little bird? Riya ran to help. No. If you see full stop is there, question mark is there, you have to wait. You have to give a pause for a few seconds. White spider is coming to close catch the ladybird. रुकना है, पॉज देना है. रिया, what can I do to save the little ladybird? आपका वॉइस का टोन वैसा होगा, क्वेश्चन मार्क है. दैट मीन्स पूछ रहे हो आप. रिया अपने आप से मन में पूछ रही है कि what can I do to save the little bird? Ria ran to help. Ria picked up the ladybird from the spider's web.
Okay.
ऐसा रुकना है, कंटिन्यूअसली नहीं पढ़ते जाना है, ठीक है? नाउ काशवी कंटिन्यू.
Can हाँ.
शुरू से पढ़ो.
EEKSL.
बोलो.
It the white spider is coming close to the ladybird. Ria, what can I do to save the little butterfly? Little bird. Ria, run to help. Ria, pick up the ladyfly for the spiders. But she lit the ladybird
Spider's web.
spider which she led the ladyfly to
ladybird go. She let the ladybird go. Re मतलब ये पंख है, उसका आवाज है, साउंड है. That is the sound of ladybird. Re. You from
read the lady butterfly.
Butterfly name. Ladybird.
Ladybird. Flew from flower to flower. Ria on pick.
Ria want नहीं, Ria went. W-E-N-T went. Clap.
Pick the red and black SPOTT. Spotted ladybird was happy and tree.
Not tree. T-R-E-E tree. It's a F-R-E-E tree.
Tree. O-N-E. Only. मैम आप म्यूट हो गए हो. मैम.
Yes.
Ma'am, please scroll down. I want to see the fill in the blanks.
Okay, now.
Okay, ma'am.
Akshat. Anya, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Complete it, make a PDF, then upload on portal. Don't send me WhatsApp, through WhatsApp, okay? Ansh Jain,
Yes, ma'am.
writing? Are you writing?
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
I hope you are writing because you have to write in your copy. Before that, you have to write your name, class, and subject. After completing your answer, you have to make PDF and then upload on portal. आपको portal में upload करना है, जैसे आप annual exam में करोगे. ठीक है? Complete it, but don't forget to write your name, class, subject. Chaitya Jain, your voice is not coming. Continuously, I was shouting. I am shouting continuously and I am calling you, but you didn't reply me. Yes, Risha.
मैम हमें VJVLMS में अपलोड करना है कि पोर्टल में?
VJB LMS, वही तो पोर्टल है.
मैम थर्ड वाले का वो जो आपने नेक्स्ट वाले पेज में दिया है ना, उसका हेडिंग दिखाओ ना ऊपर का. यस मैम.
लक्ष्य.
मैम हमें जो फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स का क्वेश्चन है उसके साथ साथ ही आंसर लिखना है ना? बस मैम वही पूछना. यस मैम.
Tell me, you have raised your hand.
यस मैम. मैम पोर्टल में कैसे भेजना है?
वाह, कल अपने सुमन मैम आपको मीटिंग में बताई है ना. ऑलरेडी सुमन मैम टोल्ड यू. Suman ma'am already told you. Yesterday she has taken a class also. She has taken test also. You can see one video that she had already sent you in your group. Please check your group. One video is there how to upload answer sheet on portal. Okay.
Okay.
इसीलिए तो प्रैक्टिस करा रहे हैं एग्जाम में ताकि आपको प्रॉब्लम ना हो. रीशा जैन, यस टेल मी.
यस मैम. नो.
ओके. माही.
मैम मेरे को पहले डाउट था थर्ड वाला, मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा था तो मैंने 2-3 बार रीड करके देखा तो मुझे समझ आ गया तो मैंने लिख दिया है.
Very good, very good. From whom did Riya save the ladybird? Akshat. Akshat, are you
Yes,
writing?
ma'am.
Are you writing?
Ma'am, I am in the last of the filling the blanks.
Okay. Arya Jain.
Ma'am, and in the question answer third.
Question answer third. From whom did Riya save the ladybird?
Yes, ma'am.
वो जो कल फोन भेजा था ना वो मुझे आज भी लगेगा.
वो आपको
तो आप
ये क्वेश्चन का मतलब ये है. Yes, Arya, tell me.
मैम आंसर बताओ इस थर्ड क्वेश्चन का.
नहीं बताऊंगी अभी.
तो मुझे लगेगा सर ने तो बोले थे.
मैम मैं लिख रहा हूँ कॉपी में.
तो सिधाई के बीच में डाल.
यस मैम.
Kavisha, बताओ. How many questions are left?
Ma'am, filling the blanks only.
Okay. Please, handwriting should be very neat and clean. Otherwise, I will cut you 1 mark also. Annual exam में भी handwriting जिसका खराब होगा ना, मैं specially 1 marks काट दूंगी. I will deduct you. I will deduct 1 marks for handwriting. Aditya, what you were thinking? Aditya Pandey.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you writing?
Yes, ma'am. I am writing. Yes, ma'am. I am writing.
Darshil, Darshil,
Yes, ma'am.
how many questions are left?
बताना.
Darshil, please read this paragraph.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
It's the wild spider is coming close to catch the ladybird. Ria, what can I do to save the little ladybird? Ria ran to help. Ria kept up the ladybird from the spider's web. She let the ladybird go. The ladybird flew from flower to flower. Ria went clap, clap, clap. The red and black spotted ladybird was happy and free once again.
Very good, well done. You have to read a small story, small cartoons character from small comics book. You have to read from your newspaper or magazine. है ना? So in this way, your reading skill will develop. Anya.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
The white spider is coming close to catch the ladybird. Ria, what can I do to save the ladybird? Little ladybird. Ria ran to help. Ria picked up the ladybug from the spider's web. She let the तुम्हें कहाँ थी? हाँ. She let the little bird go.
Ladybird.
The ladybird go. W R The ladybug flew from flower to flower. Ria went clap, clap, clap. The red and black spotted ladybird was happy and free once again.
Very good. Wonderful. Kavisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
Ma'am, story. Ask the white spider is coming close to each the ladybird.
Catch the ladybird.
Catch the ladybird. Ria, what can I do to save the little bird? Ria ran to help. Ria picked
up the ladybird from the spider's web. The
She.
ladybird she let the ladybird go whirl the ladybird fell from flower
Flew.
flew the flower to flower. Ria went clap, clap, clap.
We don't have extra time. Anya, complete your work.
Ria went clap, clap, clap. The red and black spots ladybird was happy and free once again.
Very good. Yes, Mahi.
मैम क्या बोल रही जो आपने ऑन दिया है अंडर दिया है उसको दो बार यूज कर सकते हैं
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
ओके
सोहम
यस मैम
बोलो
इसको समझाइए मैम
क्या बोल रही हो
मेरे से पूछेगा तू बोल ना मैम से मैं नहीं बताती सेकंड वाला समझ गए क्वेश्चन समझ अपने कान से
सेकंड
मैम सब समझ यस मैम इसका सेकंड वाला क्वेश्चन समझा दीजिए
सेकंड व्हाट डिड रिया वांट टू डू फॉर लेडीबर्ड लेडीबर्ड के लिए वो क्या करना चाहती थी व्हाट डिड रिया वांट टू डू फॉर द लेडीबर्ड के लिए वो क्या करना चाहती थी सोहम प्लीज रीड द पैराग्राफ
white spider if the white spider is coming close to catch the ladybird
रिया
what can I do to save the little ladybird can
रिया
ran
रिया
to help
हो रही है
Ria ran to help. Ria picked up the ladybird from the spider's web. She let the ladybird go.
सोहम इसका मीनिंग क्या है व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस लाइन रिया रैन टू हेल्प वो दौड़ के गई हेल्प करने के लिए फिर कैसे हेल्प की रिया पिक्ड अप द लेडी बर्ड फ्रॉम स्पाइडर्स वेब ये देखो स्पाइडर का वेब बना हुआ है स्पाइडर ने अपने जाल में लेडी बर्ड को फंसा लिया था तो वो अपने उसको स्पाइडर के वेब से वो निकाल दिया वो जैसे ही निकल गया फिर वो फ्री हो गया So Ria picked up the ladybird from the spider web. She let the ladybird go. And the ladybird flew from flower to flower. Now continue. इसके बाद पढ़ो. She let
the ladybird go where the ladybird flew from flower to flower. Ria went clap, clap, clap. The red and black spotted ladybird
P-O-T क्या
spotted
S-P-O-T spot. जब ये past tense में हो जाएगा, when it will convert into past tense, that time you have to use ed. So it's spotted.
Ladybird was happy and fair
Free.
on
Free.
again.
F-R-E-E. double E, free once again.
Free once again.
Understand?
पब्लिक आंसर मैडम समझा दीजिए।
अब आंसर हो। Arya,
Yes, ma'am.
read.
It's the white spider is coming close to catch the ladybird. Ria, what can I do? Save the little ladybird. Ria, run to help. Ria, run to help. Ria picked up the ladybird from the spider's web. She let the ladybird to grow. The ladybird flew from the flower to flower. Ria went clap, clap, clap. The red and black spot ladybird was happy and free once again.
Very good. Well done. Vidit. Vidit.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. मैम मैं अभी ज्वाइन हुआ हूँ।
तो क्या हो गया?
मैम नेट नहीं वो नहीं चल रहा था।
हाँ, तो
इसके आंसर्स इसको नहीं आते।
take a screenshot and then do your work. First read the paragraph.
कंप्यूटर है मैम, कंप्यूटर है।
हाँ, तो अपने मोबाइल से फोटो खींच लो।
मैम ये एक्सक्यूज मी अनुराधा मैम, मैम ये एक्चुअली ये चैप्टर्स कब हुआ था? इसको इसके आंसर्स कुछ नहीं आ रहे इधर क्वेश्चन आंसर
में नहीं है, ये अनसीन पैसेज है। ऐसा पैराग्राफ और ये क्वेश्चन आंसर सॉल्व करना रहेगा। दिस इज अनसीन पैसेज एंड इट इज वेरी इजी।
ओके मैम, जो चैप्टर दिया है उसी में इनके आंसर से इनको सॉल्व करना है।
हाँ, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग विदित, प्लीज रीड दिस पैराग्राफ। If you
Read this paragraph, read करो।
you can able to understand what you have to do. Okay.
रीड करो तो फिर आंसर इसी में है, जल्दी करो।
Is the white spider coming close to catch the ladybird? Right. What can I do to save the little ladybird? Ria ran to help. Rai picked up the lady from the spider web. Let the ladybird go where the ladybird flew from flower to flower. Ria went clap, clap, clap. The red and black spot ladybird was happy and free once again.
Very good. Now, I hope you can understand the paragraph because it is very easy. I have given 3 questions. So, you have to take out the answers from this paragraph. Right? After that, you have to complete fill in the blanks and preposition. And please, Vidit, don't forget to write your name, class and subject. After that, you have to upload on portal. Okay? Yes, Risha completed.